And now the work is beginning to begin. They're going to move a statue. They're going to move a statue.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. You do that too.
And enjoy.
I'll be
Stop and say hi before we get up my way.
I will do that.
You do.
That's
you do.
a distinct possibility.
You do.
I have
do.
friends on the other side of the state, right on the thumb of Michigan.
Yeah.
Tallest?
Yeah. Tallest. Yep.
Tallest.
Yep.
Yeah, that's where they live.
Straight across.
Straight across to the other side.
Yep. Yep. Our side is much
Okay,
nicer.
where are you going to bury that dead body?
Really
Yeah.
Beautiful. That ride up to the bridge. Oh my God.
I want to take a picture.
Mackinac Bridge.
Mackinac Bridge up to the Mac. Man. It's
Yeah.
beautiful.
I would like to do that. So
Yeah.
that might happen this fall.
We'll go with Don.
Okay. Okay, they got it. They got it. This was the moving of.
Travel safe.
This was the moving of the statue.
Jim.
Okay. Yeah, we'll see you in August. Hey, nothing like losing your head over it, huh?
What? Hey, Dave. Was that heavy? What? What would you say? 500 pounds?
Maybe 180, 200. Rattlesnake.
The rattlesnake.
No, I'm not going to bring a rattlesnake on the plane for you.
I keep checking his fingers. I keep checking his pockets for my baby rattlesnake he was supposed to bring me, but they didn't do it.
No. They wouldn't let him through the airport. I don't have a rattlesnake license.
What's with that? I'm getting bad vibes here. I'm getting bad vibes. What do you mean? You don't tell them you got it. You never tell anybody that you got it.
Oh no, they see it on the X-ray. Yeah, they do.
A little smiley face with two fangs.
No.
Sticking out through your shirt, protruding out through your shirt.
No.
It's such a distinct one.